In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect data using Form in Smartsheet. Data Intake 2026. We'll start right at the source. Open your preferred web browser and go to smartsheet.com. This is where everything begins, and it's the quickest path to building a clean, dependable intake process for your team. Next, sign into your Smartsheet account. This part is quick. Click Sign In and use your usual method, whether that's your organization's single sign-on or your standard credentials. If your company uses SSO, you'll be redirected automatically. Once you're in, you're ready to build. After you log in, you'll land on your home page. Think of home as your control center. It shows your recent work, favorites, and any workspaces you have access to. Take a second to orient yourself. On the left, you'll see the main navigation. That's where we'll create our new form. On the left sidebar, click Create. This opens a guided panel that helps you start with the right type of Smartsheet asset. It's designed to save time by putting the most common starting points at your fingertips, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Now, scroll down until you find the new workspace starting point. A workspace is like a folder with superpowers. It groups related items, sheets, reports, dashboards, and forms. So your data intake, storage, and reporting live together in one organized place. Starting here helps keep your future scaling and permissions simple. In this area, you'll see multiple view starting points. These represent different ways to work in Smartsheet, such as Grid for spreadsheet-style tracking, Card for Kanban, Gantt for timelines, and more. Each one is tailored to a different need. For data intake though, we want to capture structured responses cleanly and consistently. Click Form. Smartsheet will generate a new form and automatically pair it with a backing sheet where all submissions will be stored as rows. The form builder opens with a default layout you can tailor to your process. You'll be able to edit field labels for clarity, set required fields to ensure complete data, and adjust field types like dropdowns or checkboxes to keep inputs consistent. The preview shows exactly what respondents will see, and every submission will flow directly into the connected sheet, ready for filtering, reporting, and automation. A quick tip: keep labels short and specific, group related questions, and use helper text sparingly to reduce confusion. Also, give your form and sheet clear, matching names so your team can recognize them instantly in the workspace. That's it. You visited Smartsheet, signed in, opened Create, navigated to the new workspace starting point, reviewed the starting options, and selected Form to generate your data intake. You're now set up to collect reliable information at scale.